Hi, this is Handy TF. In this video, we are going to move the laundry sink to close the gap, and add a separate drain for the washing machine instead of draining into the sink. We will move these two shut-off valves. One to the back for the sink faucet, and second one to the back of washing machine. Cut off the old drain, so we can add a separate drain for the washing machine. It is better to use this long T-fitting. P-trap is required for the washing machine drain. Cut off the old valves and connect new pipe to the existing water pipe. Put on the compression type shut-off valve for the sink faucet. Before you solder the copper pipe to the washing machine shut-off valve, you need to remove the O-ring first. Hi, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. This will encourage me to make more free videos to help more people. We have completed moving the plumbing, separate shut-off valve and drain for sink and washing machine. And this nice looking stainless sink. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time, Handy TF.